TubeBuddy vs VidIQ, unveiling the ultimate YouTube toolkit. Are you a content creator striving to elevate your YouTube game? Look no further. In this post, we'll dive into a comparison between two powerful YouTube optimization tools, TubeBuddy and VidIQ. Both aim to streamline your YouTube workflow, enhance your video SEO, and ultimately boost your channel's performance. Let's explore how they stack up in terms of ease of use, pricing, and why you should consider incorporating them into your YouTube strategy. Ease of use. TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy boasts an intuitive interface that seamlessly integrates into YouTube's platform. With its user-friendly browser extension, you can easily access a plethora of tools right within your YouTube dashboard. From keyword research to thumbnail generation, TubeBuddy simplifies every aspect of managing and optimizing your YouTube content. Go to TubeBuddy. VidIQ. VidIQ also offers a straightforward interface designed to enhance your YouTube experience. Its Chrome extension provides real-time analytics and optimization suggestions as you navigate through YouTube. VidIQ's user-friendly dashboard empowers creators to make data-driven decisions to maximize their videos' reach and engagement. Go to VidIQ. Pricing. Features TubeBuddy VidIQ. Basic plan $0 limited features $0 limited features. Pro plan $3.60 per month $60 per month. Billed annually. Star plan $19 per month $39 per month. Billed annually. Legend plan $23. Why people should use it. TubeBuddy. 1. Comprehensive suite of tools for video optimization, including keyword research, tag suggestions, and A/B testing. 2. Time-saving features like bulk processing and video scheduling streamline content management. 3. Detailed analytics and competitor tracking to fine-tune your YouTube strategy and stay ahead of the curve. VidIQ. 1. In-depth video analytics provide valuable insights into audience behavior and content performance. 2. Advanced keyword research tools help optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags for maximum visibility. 3. Collaboration features allow teams to work together efficiently, perfecting every aspect of their YouTube content. Ready to take your YouTube channel to new heights? Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, both TubeBuddy and VidIQ offer indispensable tools to optimize your content and grow your audience. Sign up for a free trial today and discover firsthand the difference these platforms can make in your YouTube journey. Click here to supercharge your YouTube strategy with TubeBuddy. Or, level up your channel with VidIQ. Start your free trial now. In conclusion, while both TubeBuddy and VidIQ offer robust features to enhance your YouTube presence, the choice ultimately boils down to your specific needs and preferences. Experiment with both platforms to see which aligns best with your workflow and goals. Happy creating! Share this.